BMW 4 Series repair quotes. Bayerische Motoren Werke AG, commonly referred to as BMW, is a German multinational corporate manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. The 2021 BMW 4 Series was available, and it marked the beginning of the second generation for the model. The 4 Series is known for its sporty design and performance characteristics. Here are some general features and aspects associated with the 2021 BMW 4 Series. The service requirements for a BMW 4 Series will depend on the specific model year and the type of engine it has. BMW generally recommends specific service intervals for routine maintenance. Here are some common service items that may be included. Oil change. Regular oil changes are essential to maintain engine performance and longevity. BMW often recommends synthetic oil, and the oil change interval can vary based on driving conditions and the specific engine. Brake inspection and service. Regular inspection of the brake system, including pads, rotors, and brake fluid, is crucial for safety and optimal braking performance. Tire rotation and replacement. Regularly rotate tires to ensure even wear. Replace tires as needed, and check the alignment to prevent uneven tire wear. Engine air filter replacement. The engine air filter should be inspected and replaced as necessary to maintain optimal engine performance. Cabin air filter replacement. The cabin air filter helps maintain air quality in the interior. Replace it at recommended intervals. Spark plug replacement. Spark plugs play a vital role in engine performance. BMW may recommend replacing them at specific intervals. Coolant system service. Regularly check the coolant level and condition. BMW may recommend a coolant system flush and refill at specific intervals. Transmission service. Automatic transmissions may require fluid and filter changes at recommended intervals for smooth operation. Battery inspection. Regularly check the battery for proper voltage and connections. Replace the battery as needed. Suspension and steering inspection. Regularly inspect the suspension and steering components for wear. Replace components as necessary. Timing belt or chain inspection. Some BMW models may have a timing belt or chain that requires inspection or replacement at specific mileage intervals. It's important to refer to the owner's manual for your specific BMW 4 Series model and follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. Additionally, newer BMW models often have a condition-based servicing CBS system that monitors various components and alerts you when service is needed. For specific and up-to-date information regarding your BMW 4 Series service requirements, you may also contact your local BMW dealership or authorized service center. They can provide personalized advice based on your vehicle's model year and individual driving conditions.